crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I appreciate those that are following and watching my unboxings. I know there are many of us creators out there that did get Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, and I do believe, though, the consensus across the board is that we have all been pretty much very happy with this box. In fact, I will say for the last, this is my third or fourth box. This one is way ahead of the first couple of boxes. So we'll see. But today is day 8. And so let's dig in and see what is in my countdown to Christmas today. So just as FYI, I have not been watching the other channels and that until after I do my unboxing. I do go back and watch some other content creators to see what they're saying, because I am kind of curious what others are thinking, what others are doing along the way. I will say I'm a little guilty. I've not been following on the Missouri Star channel itself. I've actually been watching other content creators. I will probably post Christmas go back and watch theirs, because I know they give hints and tips and tricks and that, and I do want to see what they had to say as well. So day 8 brings us, oh wow, a Scrappy Celebrations wrapping paper from Quilt Designs. So I have not seen anything like this. I think this is absolutely awesome, and it is really cool from just a storage perspective, right? So it's 12 colorful sheets with matching matching gift tags for every present. The sheets, there's 12 of them, are 19 inches by 30 inches. There's 4 designs. They're die cut gift tags in the back as well. Guys, I have never seen anything like this, especially at any of our quilt stores and that. So I think that is pretty awesome. So if you have not seen, there are the 4 designs. Of course, this one is probably my favorite, and then this one would be my second favorite. But I really like the idea of this. I mean, this is pretty cool, completely different, and nice for this time of year, for this to be in gift 8. So there's still time for me to use it if I want to for Christmas, but yet because it's for every occasion, I can use it other times. So I think this is pretty smart, and this is appreciated as much as this is a quilter's box, right? At the end of the day, it's kind of cool to get something that's a little bit out of character, or a little bit away from just all the quilting stuff. So I will say again, I am super happy with this. I think this box has really been ahead of the ones that I've received over the last couple of years, which is funny because I thought about canceling and not pursuing some of the boxes, but I'm really happy I signed up for the box this year. So, guys, that's my take on day 8. I appreciate you dropping in, listening to me rattle on for just a few minutes. Hope you are having an amazing week. I hope things are going your way and that you're getting ready for Christmas. So, until next time, happy crafting.